Hey everyone, welcome back to a brand new video of GetAssist.net, and if you are looking for the right steps to change your Instagram password, I will show you how to do that. So make sure you watch it till the end, and now let's get started. First of all, you just need to go to your Instagram account, make sure you're logged in, and tap the profile icon given at the bottom right, and then tap the three lines given in the top right and go to settings. From here you need to go to security, and here you will see the first option for password, so you need to tap that, and here you can easily set a new password for your Instagram account using your current or old password. So make sure you remember your current password, and it will also show you that when you last updated your Instagram password. So this will show you the date, and this will also show you that your password must be at least 6 characters and should include a combination of numbers, letters, and special characters. Alright, so make sure you keep all this in mind, and then you can create a new password. And if in case you do not remember your current password but you are still logged in, you can check your details if you have saved your password on iCloud if you're using iPhone, or if you have saved your password in password manager. So I have also made a video on how to check your old Instagram password. You can check that out as well. Following that video, you can recover your old password, or the last option is to reset your password if you do not know your current password. All right, otherwise you will not be able to change it. You can only reset it. So yeah, that was it for today's topic. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you do, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to stay notified of all my upcoming videos. If you have any doubts, issues or queries, do let me know in the comment section down below, and for now I will take the leave. We'll see you the next time.